Queen of the Ratchets here. This goes out to all my haters. Let's get it. Listen up, you whore. Your life is a mess. Girl, you're such a joke. Bitch, I know your press. Girl, you wish you were me. Go ahead and just confess. But you'll never be me. Bitch, I know your press. Oh, have a seat, why don't ya? Before I have to beat your ass. We all know you're scary, and you don't want these hands. Y'all like this shit, huh? I ain't done yet. Bitch, you know I'm pretty, and I'll take your man, but I don't want him, bitch, please. Bitch, I know your press. You're not on my level, but bitch, you wish. Why can't you keep your mouth closed? Girl, stop talking shit. Yes, I keep you guessing. Don't hate 'cause I'm blessed. Behave yourself, why don't ya? Bitch, I know your press. Look, stop talking your shit, stop spreading your lies. If you keep talking mess, you'll get punched in your eye. You don't know who I am, I'm a petty ass queen. Girl, keep your distance and have several seats. Ratchet, shady, and just insane. I warned you, ho, to stay in your lane. Oh, you bopping your head? Well, that's what I do. I'm queen of the ratchet, now get a damn clue, bitch. Please stop all your lying before I have to throw these hands. If you ever want them, then you know where I am. This is your last warning, so please get a life. Bitch, I don't play, and I'll get you right. Listen up, you whore. Your life is a mess. Girl, you're such a joke. Bitch, I know your press. Bitch.